Welcome to SnapTop Chef, your personal kitchen. Let's walk you through everything you can do. You're first going to be asked to create a chef handle, which will be linked to any recipe you make public. In My Kitchen, you can set up your dietary preferences and restrictions so the app always knows what works for you. You can also tell it what ingredients and tools you have on hand, so every recipe it creates is tailored to what you've actually got. Head over to Create and start chatting with your executive chef to build your recipe from scratch. Just describe what you're in the mood for, and the chef will help you construct your masterpiece step by step. This is an iterative process where you should go back and forth until your recipe vision is fully understood. Once you're happy with the concept, the chef generates your full recipe. You can then create a dish image, request specific tweaks like adjusting the spice level or swapping an ingredient. And when you're satisfied, save it straight to your collection. In this example, we asked to add some more fiber to get in on the fiber maxing trends. As you can see, the chef added cauliflower, as well as balance the other ingredients of the recipe to make sure everything is well cooked. In the Clubs tab, you can create a club and add other users. Any recipes generated for a club will automatically take every member's dietary preferences and restrictions into account. Perfect for cooking together. The Import tab lets you turn any food photo into a recipe. Here we upload an image of the Krabby Patty from SpongeBob, and SnapTop Chef analyzes it and builds out the full recipe. I've always kind of wanted to know how to cook a Krabby Patty. You can even ask the chef to make modifications to imported recipes. Here we ask if the secret sauce can be made at home, and the chef updates the recipe accordingly. Recipes in the community can include real photos from other users. Here, we open a pumpkin pie recipe and see a photo that someone has uploaded of their finished dish. Finally, when you're ready to cook, open any recipe and hit Add to Ingredient List. Check off the ingredients you already have, and the rest get added straight to your shopping list panel, so you always know exactly what you need to grab.